Hey, this is Alex from Cricket Speakers. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new Cricket speaker. All you're going to need for this installation is a 5mm Allen key, and we recommend a Sharpie. So just pull a speaker right out of the box. You're going to want to take your Sharpie, mark right here in the middle of the charger port, so that way you know where to install it on the stem. Come right over here. Remove your existing stem cap. Remove the stem cap from the Cricket speaker cap. Find your little Sharpie mark you made. For me, it's right here. Set it in all lined up. You want it facing backwards, by the way. Get that all snug. This is the only bolt you're gonna have to remove. Do not touch your stem bolts. And then your speaker just screws right in. And that's it.